Chapter 39, First Night Watch.
Fore-top, Stubb solace and mending a brace. Ha 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 ha! Clear my throat. I've been thinking over it ever since, and that ha-ha's the final consequence. Why so? Because a laugh's the wisest, easiest answer to all that's queer. And come what will, one comfort's always left. That unfailing comfort is, it's all predestinated. I heard not all his talk with Starbuck, but to my poor eye, Starbuck then looked something as I the other evening felt. Be sure the old mogul has fixed him. Too, I twigged it, knew it, had the gift, might readily have prophesied it. For when I clapped my eye upon his skull, I saw it. Well, Stubb, why Stubb? That's my title. What of it, Stubb? Here's a carcass. I know not all that may be coming, but be it what it will, I'll go to it laughing. Such a waggish leering as lurks in all your horribles. I feel funny. Fa-la, lira, skira. What's my juicy little pair at home doing now? Crying its eyes out? Giving a party to the last arrived harpooneers. I dare say gay as a frigate's pennant, and so am I. Fa-la, lira, skira. Oh, we'll drink tonight with hearts as light, to love as gay and fleeting as bubbles that swim on the beaker's brim and break on the lips while meeting. A brave stave that. Who calls? Mr. Starbuck? Aye, sir. He's my superior. He has his too, if I'm not mistaken. Aye, sir. Just through with this job. Coming.